Good morning, Chelsea. Thank you for meeting me today. The purpose of today's meeting is to review the outcome of the office renovation project, discuss the project objectives, benefits achieved, seek your feedback regarding the project implementation management, and present several continuous improvement initiatives that have been developed based on the lessons learned throughout the project. By the end of the meeting, I'd like to gain an agreement that the project objectives have been achieved and discuss opportunities for further future projects.
Good morning, Josh. Thank you for arranging the meeting. I'm looking forward to reviewing the project outcomes and hearing about the proposed improvements.
Let's begin by reviewing the project outcomes. The primary objective of the office renovation project was to renovate, modernise the office space to improve functionality, safety, efficiency, and overall workplace usability. The project successfully delivered demolition and site preparations, asbestos identification and removal, building and structural modifications, electrical and plumbing upgrades, cabinet installation, flooring installation, painting and finishing works, and final inspections and handover. Overall, the project was completed within the budget of $220,000 and achieved the quality standards outlined in the project management plan. Do you believe that the project delivered the benefits originally expected?
Yeah, I do. The renovated office has significantly improved our workspace functionality. Staff have commented positively about the improved layout, and the upgraded facilities have created a more professional and efficient working environment.
That's excellent feedback, thank you. In terms of project objectives, we aim to complete the renovation within budget, deliver a safe and compliant workplace, improve office functionality, minimise disruption of operations, and achieve stakeholder satisfaction. Would you agree that these objectives were achieved?
Yes, overall I believe the objectives were achieved. There were some minor delays during construction, but these were all very well managed and communicated.
That's great to hear. Thank you so much for the feedback. Now I'd like to discuss the project management plan. Throughout the project, we used a structured process for scope management, schedule management, cost management, risk management, stakeholder engagement, communication management, and change of control. These processes helped us maintain project control despite several challenges, including the discovery of white ants and the office wall modification requests. Do you feel the project governance and management processes were effective?
Yes, I appreciated the regular updates and the progress meetings. The governance structure gave me confidence that project issues were being managed appropriately.
Thank you. One of the key strengths I observed was the effectiveness of our weekly stakeholder meetings. They allowed issues to be escalated quickly and discussions to be made promptly. I would like to gather your feedback regarding project implementation and integration. Were there any aspects of the project delivery you believe could have been improved?
I think earlier design reviews would have been beneficial. The wall layout modification occurred after construction had started, which resulted in additional costs and delays.
I agree. That lesson was captured within our lessons learned register and has directly influenced some of the continuous improvement initiatives I will discuss shortly. Were there any communication or stakeholder engagement improvements you would recommend?
The communication was generally pretty good. Continuing weekly progress meetings and milestone reporting would be beneficial for all future projects.
Thank you. I'll include that recommendation within the continuous improvement register. I'd like to give you a presentation to the new continuous improvement systems and processes developed following the project completion. Please see. Good morning and thank you for attending today's presentation. Today I will discuss the continuous improvement system and processes that have been developed following the completion of the office renovation. The purpose of these improvements is to help us deliver future projects more efficiently, reduce risk, improve quality outcomes, and increase stakeholder satisfaction. Slide 1, continuous improvement. Continuous improvement is an ongoing process that focuses on identifying opportunities to improve the way we plan, manage, deliver projects during the office renovation. We identified several areas where improvements could be made to strengthen future project performances. The goal of these improvements is to reduce delays, minimise rework, improve communication, and ensure lessons learned captured to and applied to future projects. Slide 2, improvement needs identified. During the project review process, several improvement opportunities were identified. These included improving our risk identification process before construction begins, strengthening change management procedures, improving supplier performance, increasing stakeholder engagement, and enhancing the way project knowledge is captured and shared. These findings were based on project reviews, stakeholder feedback, issue logs, and lesson learned activities throughout the project. Slide 3, risk assessment and change control. The first new system being introduced is the pre-start construction risk assessment process. During the renovation project, we discovered white ants after demolition had already commenced. This resulted in additional cost, schedule impacts by conducting more comprehensive site inspections before the construction begins. We can identify potential risks earlier and reduce the likelihood of expected issues. The second improvement is the enhanced change control process. During the project, changes to the office wall layout provide additional labour, impact the schedule. The new processes introduced formally change requests, impact assessments, approval workflows, and change tracking to ensure that all changes are promptly evaluated before implementation. These improvements will help us improve project control and reduce disruptions during project delivery. Slide 4, supplier performance knowledge management. The next improvement focuses on supplier performance. Material delivery delays experienced during the project highlighted the importance of supplier monitoring and evaluation. The new supplier performance management system will include supplier scorecards, delivery tracking, quality reviews, and performance monitoring to help improve the procedure outcomes. We are also implementing a knowledge management system. This system will store project information, lessons learned, stakeholder feedback, project budgets, milestones, and continuous improvement opportunities. By capturing this information, we can improve organizational learning and future projects. Slide 5, benefits of implementation. There are several benefits associated with implementing the new systems and processes. These include improved project planning, better risk management, reduced project delays, fewer defects and rework, improvement and quality outcomes, stronger supplier performance, enhanced communication, and increased stakeholder satisfaction. Ultimately, these improvements will help the organisation deliver projects more efficiently and achieve better outcomes. Slide 6, expected outcomes and participation. The organisation has established several improvement targets. These include reducing project delays by 25%, reducing rework by 20%, improving supplier performance by 50%, and increasing stakeholder satisfaction by 15%. Achieving these targets will require participation from all stakeholders. Everyone is encouraged to contribute, improve ideas, participate in project reviews, provide feedback, and support the implementation of the new processes. Continuous improvement is most successful when all parts of the organisation are a part of it. Slide 7, the conclusion. In conclusion, the office renovation project has provided valuable lessons and opportunities for improvement. The new system and processes being introduced will strengthen project planning, risk management and supplier performance, knowledge sharing and stakeholder engagement. By embracing continuous improvement, we can build to our success, learn from our challenges and deliver better outcomes for future projects. Thank you all for your attention. Having reviewed these proposed improvements, I would like to seek your feedback. Do you see value in implementing these systems?
Absolutely. The enhanced risk assessment process would likely have identified the termite issue earlier and could have saved both time and money. I also believe the change management improvements would help reduce disruptions caused by late design changes.
That's excellent feedback. How do you feel about the knowledge management system?
I think it's a very positive initiative. Capturing lessons learned and project information in a central location can help future projects avoid repeating the same mistakes we had.
Thank you. Would you support implementation of these continuous improvement initiatives across future projects?
Yes, I absolutely fully support implementation. The improvements appear practical, achievable and likely to deliver measurable benefits.
Thank you for your feedback today, Chelsea. Based on our discussion, I can confirm that the project outcomes and benefits have been achieved, the project objectives were successfully delivered, the project management plan was effective, the support and implementation of the proposed continuous improvement initiatives have been achieved.
Yes, I confirm my agreement with those points.
Excellent. I appreciate your time and feedback. All recommendations and improvement opportunities discussed today will be incorporated into the Continuous Improvement Register and communicated to relevant stakeholders. Thank you for your participation today.
Thank you, Josh. I appreciate all the work completed on the project and looking forward to seeing these improvements implemented on future projects.
It's been a pleasure working with you.